when the Son of Man comes in all his glory, and all the hosts, all the holy angels with him, the holy angels, because they're also fallen angels, who won't come with him. He will sit on the throne of his glory. All the nations will be gathered before him. He will separate them one from another, as a shepherd divides the sheep from the goats. And he will set the sheep on his right hand and the goats on the left. And the king will say to those on his right hand, "Come, you blessed of my Father, inherit the kingdom prepared for you from the foundation of the world. For I was hungry and you gave me food. I was thirsty and you gave me drink. I was a stranger and you took me in. I was naked and you clothed me. I was sick and you visited me. I was in prison and you came to me." And the righteous will answer and say, "Oh Lord, when did we see you hungry?" I'm pausing right here. So the righteous are not righteous because of what they did. Because if they were righteous because of what they did, they would have known it. They're sitting there going, when did, do you know what I just said? In other words, those who say, you better do good so God will save you, these people are saying, when did we do the good thing? What did we do? They're not righteous because they did a good thing. They're righteous and they were doing good things. The Lord made them righteous. They were righteous. And he'll say to the righteous, Lord, the righteous will say, "Lord, when did we see you hungry and feed you, or thirsty and give you drink? When did we see you a stranger and take you in and clothe you? Or when did we see you sick or in prison and came to you?" And notice it doesn't say that we healed them. It just says that we went to them. Or in prison. It doesn't say we break them out of prison. They're just visited in prison. And the king answered and said to them, "Surely I say to you, inasmuch as you do this to the least of these my brethren, you did it to me."